Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will be making veg biryani. Before we start veg biryani, my name is Vikas Kirni. I'm a software professional. Cooking is my hobby. The aim of this channel is to inspire professionals to cook their food themselves because that will give you options to how to cook nicely, and also you will choose how to cook yourself. So this channel will give lot of tricks, tips for the professionals. Subscribe to my channel for your regular updates. Let's start making the biryani, veg biryani.
Fun fact: biryani comes from the Persian word braya, which means fried before cooking. Originally, rice was partially fried in ghee before being layered. It traveled from Persia to India through the Mughals, and over the time, every region created its own version. Hyderabad version is spicy and dum-style. Lucknow is subtle and aromatic. Kolkata biryani includes potatoes. Today we are making a classical dum style veg Hyderabad biryani. So what are the ingredients here? So right now I'm cutting the different ingredients. So I have used carrots, beans, potatoes, peas and cauliflower. Why mix vegetables? Because biryani is about texture contrast. Soft rice plus slightly crunchy vegetables. So let's cut our vegetables into equal slices. So I have cut the cauliflower. Next I'm going to peel, after cauliflower I'm going to peel the potato. Okay, it's now capsicum turn. Let's cut the heavy heavy portions so that our capsicum is thin and easy to cook. Get rid of all the seeds, all the thick parts. Now we are going to cut into smaller slices. Okay, now potato. Let me peel the potato. Actually, one funny thing is like veg biryani. Uh, most of the people think of biryani, they think of mutton biryani, chicken biryani, biryani but with some meat. Nobody thinks of veg biryani. The first time I ate the veg biryani, I was really surprised by the taste. So a lot of people think when veg biryani, it must be another pulao. So today I will show you how to make the veg biryani, and believe me, guys, it tastes amazing. Personally, I love veg biryani taste more than chicken biryani or mutton biryani. That's a personal thing. So we are cutting potatoes into small dices or cubes. Another fun fact is like if I ever opened a fast food, I will serve biryani as a fast food. Okay, let's cut the carrots. Let's cut the carrot into smaller slices. I think biryani, everything is sliced. Even onion, I'm going to slice them. I'm using 2 onions, large onions. So I'm cutting them into small slices. Why we need 2 onions? Because we're gonna use onion barista also. So that's, I think that is the best part of the biryani, when you make onion barista, and as a part of layering you put some onion barista on the top. So here I'm cutting, slicing green chilies. Now it's time to make our ginger and garlic paste. Not paste, I'm going to chop into smaller pieces. So personally I like fresh one, cut them rather than using paste. I find these more tasty. So right now I'm peeling, and now let's this is how you cut the garlic. So first I'm going to make small slices, and then I'm going to chop them into really smaller pieces. Okay, rice. I'm going to cook the rice in the cooker. Uh, Basically, I put some bay leaf, cloves, cardamom, cinnamon sticks, and put in the rice. So I put 2 cup of rice, and water I put 3 cups. So I put water level a little bit less, so that we are put 80%, 70-80%. Rice we have to make sure they are not really cooked, because that's part of the process we are going to do. So right now I'm frying the onion. So we gonna fry the onion. Some onion we gonna take it out to the top. That we will be using for layering on the top of that. After some time, make sure our onions are brown, golden brown. And some onions I took out, so that I will use them for layering later. So right now I am adding the garlic, ginger paste, and the green chili. I'm going to cook them for 1 minute before I add the masala. Here I am adding turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder, and garam masala. So keep the heat very low at this time. Now add our all vegetables to our masala curry. vegetables are covered with masala very nicely. For 3-4 minutes, let's make sure our vegetables are mixed with masala very nicely. So this is the time to add yogurt. I kept 1 cup of yogurt. So yogurt is with what makes our biryani rich without cream. Let's after we added the yogurt, let's cook it for 5 to 6 minutes. Make sure that our vegetables are cooked up to 80%. So I'm making sure that yogurt is spread. Our vegetables, curry, yogurt, we are mixed very nicely so that ultimately the taste will be more even. I have covered it and let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes till they are cooked 80%. So our vegetables they look good now. They are cooked 80%. This is time to start our layering. So we have put the layer of rice on the top of our vegetables. I have cut 1 tablespoon of basmati, hot milk and kesar. Add it, and now I'm using our onion barista on the top of that. I'm going to throw some coriander and mint leaves on the top. For 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, let it rest for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes our yummy biryani is ready. So we should scoop from the bottom. That's the right way to do, and it's ready to eat. If you like this video, like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel for your regular updates. Thanks for watching.